Been a while since I posted a long format video. Today we're gonna replace the wastegate on the Supra. I'm reaching like 17 PSI, not intended to be 17, so I need to be sure I go around 12 and then bump up to 15 so I can go through all the band of the RPM. And here they are side by side. Quality seems to be same thing, to be honest. There's nothing better about this apart being a little smaller and not take those 6 bolts out of here to open, and this one is just twist, but I can see this here stripping and all that stuff. Everything else looks the same, and this is how we assemble it. The bottom one is where we're going to connect the pressure coming from the turbo, and the top one we're going to connect this guy here, which is the boost controller. I'm going to use a electronic boost controller this time and control this through my ECU. So this is another thing we're going to install later, but for now I can leave it open like the other one was, so not a problem. Alright, I'm holding in my legs, and don't forget the fire ring before you put this in the car. Alright, 3 hours later, I'm here. I just plugged the pressure from the turbo in here, and this on top of here is going to be my electronic pressure regulator. And now we're going to put the car down and go for a ride. We expect to see 10 PSI with the fuel pressure regulator, the old one, all closed. Alright, so we're driving here. I'm getting logs. We're going to check the logs later. But so far so good. It feels good. So here we are, grabbing logs. I tested already, 10 PSI. So check this out. Turbo kicked in now. Yeah, people in front. Can't do too much, but it was 10. I have the logs to prove. Turns out it was in 4th gear. I thought it was in 3rd. Yeah, so now from here we're going to install the electronic boost controller, and who is going to control the boost is going to be the ECU. So stay tuned for the next videos. Later! And